Recently I've been using this lake as a kind of hub and exploring all the little back roads which go up into the hills behind it. Unfortunately, my last 2 journeys, camera ran out of battery on the first one and the mic broke on the second one, so they were a bit of like a failed venture. Hopefully this time, even though my mic is broken again and I'm using some sort of improvised tucking the recorder into my top thing. Yeah, so today's road is going to be a new one for me as well. I'll try and get my mic sorted properly and go back and do the other 2 another time, but let's try and do something interesting. Okay, let's go. It's actually the other side of the lake, but I've not been down this road yet either, so let's have a look. What have we got here? Look almost like gravestones, but I don't think they are. Some more. Just try not to get eaten by those dogs. Are they haiku? No. My rev counter is I think it's slightly broken, so it often in cold weather only actually. It makes a little complaining whine. Quite annoying. Hoping it doesn't pour with rain. Certain hunting equipment prohibited area. Only certain, mind. So, guns. Bows and arrows? Okay. Spears? Fine. Harpoons? Knock yourself out. So yeah, we came this way a few days ago, last weekend, and there are 2 roads, one which leads down the hill and one which leads further up into the mountains. So we're going to go further up into the mountains today on a road which I haven't been on yet. Really irritating, isn't it? Is that the road? The entrance to the road is really tiny, so quite easy to miss. Here? No. Maybe that one. Have to check my maps again. So yeah, we came here on Saturday and we found, I don't know why I'm using the Royal We, by the way, but yeah, let's keep with it. We came here on Saturday and we found a nice little back road and a little dangerous pool. Actually, let's go to the dangerous pool now quickly. Just quickly show you, and then we'll go. This is actually not the way we're going today. We're going the other way, but yeah, there's a sign here saying, danger, don't go in here. And it's got a very scared looking person. And quite a interesting, it's like a good colour on this pool. It's very sort of turquoisey blue. It does look a little dangerous, I suppose. Yeah, so we went this way last time, up into the mountains. We found some bear tracks or something. This nice little bamboo grove here. Oh, need to give the bike a wash. Poor thing. Alright. Today, the opposite direction, up into the mountains, I think. So these are pretty unexplored back roads, I think. I don't think many people come up here. It's quite pleasant. So yeah, it's a new road for me. I don't know what's up here. I mean, if it's anything like the other two I've explored, then pretty much nothing is what is up here, but sometimes it can be quite nice to look at. Just woods. Occasionally you'll have like abandoned picnic areas and things. Oh, there are some houses and stuff up here actually. Is that a swing? That is a swing. And look at that treehouse. Whoa, that's amazing. Wow, who built that? That's possibly the best treehouse that I've ever seen. I really want to explore it, but I don't know whose it is. We've got a seesaw, a couple of platforms. Wait, there's no one here. There's no one here. Let's have a... Should we have a look? Do you think this is a private treehouse or is it? Let's have a look. There's swing. Seesaw. It looks quite new as well. Look at that. Got a door and everything. That's dangerous, please don't enter. But look at it. Great. Also, what was that? Was that a bell I just heard? It was. It's a little eerie, I'm not going to lie. Where's that from? Okay. So I think I'll probably move on now before I get caught up in whatever rituals about to start. It might just be a temple bell, to be honest, but I mean, I say might, almost certainly is. Just see the mountains through the clouds there, actually. It's quite beautiful. And there are actually 2 farmers down there in the fields, so yeah, I'm really not sure what to make of all these noises. Feels a bit like the start of a horror movie. Oh, that was interesting. Let's continue before we get eaten by humans this time. Up here. As the first time I've explored one of these roads and actually seen another living soul. So there's that. Big traps there. Maybe I'm not sure if they're bear traps or wild boar traps or both. I think those are the 2 main, vaguely dangerous large animals you get in the Japanese mountains. Oi, don't start. Yeah, it's not such a nice day today. It's very overcast. Okay, 80 meters, we can go 2 ways. In 80 meters I might need to check my map again, to be honest. I'm not entirely sure where I am. Wow, look at that road. It's kind of made a decision for me. I'm not going down there. I'm wondering how much audio this mic is picking up, because I might need to listen back to some things. I think maybe I'm hearing things. Yeah, it's pretty wintry today. sometimes even in places like this, I'll put in little viewing spots. You can just about see the lake from here. It looks very familiar, very similar to the. It doesn't look familiar at all. I've never been here in my life, but it looks very similar to the road I went on from the other side of the lake. I think the main, if not the only purpose of these roads is actually just for the access to the power lines, the electrical pylons. That and for me to explore at my leisure. So yeah, last couple of trips I came up on here, there were what looked like animal prints of some sort in the snow, which I fancifully imagined might be bear prints. I'll add a clip of that in here if I can actually. Good timing, I mentioned possible bear tracks I find. Oh no, deer, look at the hoof. Or wild boar maybe actually. Wait, is that two things? Like this one is. This is definitely a hoof. It's definitely not a hoof. What is this, I wonder? Is it a chase? Bear chasing a wild boar. I think I'm being maybe overly imaginative, but could be. Definitely some animals. Yes, it's definitely not. This is human, me, and then this is not human footprint. Even with the bad audio, but yeah, it looked like bear and wild boar. The snow's almost melted now, so less chance of finding that sort of thing. So yeah, I looked on the map, and this road, you know, I think I just looked and thought that's the opposite way to the way that I went last time. Let's go there. But I didn't actually look where it ends up. So yeah, very much riding into the unknown at the moment. Nice little waterfall. Like they'll have things like these plaques dedicated to whoever built this dam. But I mean, who reads them? Who? I like it. I like the thought, but who actually reads them? Let's read it. Let's try and read it. I can't read Japanese very well. Let's honour the people who built this dam. So, Reiwa 26. Oh, sorry, Heisei. We need to lock in. So that's, let's see, 2, it's like 60, it's only like 6 years ago actually. 8 meters tall. I can't really make it out much of the rest from here, unfortunately. Well done, guys. Nice dam. 10 out of 10. Would look at again. Very much going down into the valley now. Very cold still. The snow's still snow's melted almost everywhere else, but there's some nice rocks. Oh, I see. This road is actually closed. What does that mean for our adventure? I can go. Oh wow. Okay. Two ways. Up into the woods or down. It's really gloomy weather to be lost in the hills. I'm going to go down, I think, because it looks a bit more open, but I think it's quite possible that that looks frankly quite scary at this time of day. Don't really like the road surface there. So yeah, it is quite possible that we'll have to just turn around and retrace our steps all the way back, which will be, yeah, it is what it is. So where do you lead me? Dead end in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, I don't know, 4, 3, 2. It's not a dead end, it's a house. Or a hut, a little toilet? Surely not. For all the people who come out here. Convenience of Japan. Yeah, I really don't know where I'm going now, but I think I've still got a few hours of light left, so, and a more or less full tank of petrol. Be cool. Be cool. Just about. There's a little pond down there. Oh, I see, it's another dam. Wow. Should have a look. Try not to fall in, obviously, that would not be ideal. Yeah, that's giving me a slight vertigo from here, so we'll leave that there. And this is also looking deep. It does look like we're heading to. I mean, this is rice fields, rice paddies again. So we're heading back in towards some form of civilization, which is encouraging. Still using that royal we, aren't I? We are. I guess you're with me. You and I, us together, adventuring. You that watches me, I don't know what I am actually. Perpetrator of these crimes. Alright, there's a little village here. I wonder. So there are quite a lot of places like this which in Japan which are actually just abandoned now. This one, I don't know, it's quite, the gardens are well tended, there are people here still, but which way do I go? The bus stop. Imagine living here, eh? Ah, there's a shrine, Can we get to it? We might have to walk. Should we walk to the shrine? Have a look? Yeah, absolutely. We'll definitely do that. Trying not to fall into the rice fields, of course. The dogs have spotted me up there, haven't they? Which of course have alerted the two locals to my being here. Oh well, let's go and have a look. I feel like I'm disturbing the peace now. This is a very small shrine. Probably not worth it. Yeah, no. I think I'm going to move on before they set the dogs on me. I don't think they're used to all that many visitors around here, so let's be on our way. Another plaque. It's quite a lot, much older than this one. SRV, so it's like, how old is that? 15, about 18 years old. Okay. Cheerio, sorry. Yeah, people coming out of their houses to look. Like, who are you and what do you want? Just having a look at your shrine, thank you. Oh well, we'll be talking about that for days now. Do you know someone came here? Probably not with clipped British accents, but you never know. So which way do we go here? Left, right? I think. And which up? Yeah. About. Sort of. Actually, I'm not very confident at all. Maybe. Oh, yeah. You got it. 20% sure? No, 50% sure. That's half, isn't it? Oh, yeah, this is the right way. Okay. 6 degrees.